Welcome to my channel in yet another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the health benefits of using these different herbs and spices and the rest of the ingredients that I use in the kitchen to prepare the different meals that I post on my channel on Ugandan Kitchen. So if it is your first time on my channel, kindly take some time and subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. So we are going to start with the chia seeds. That is how chia seeds looks like. When we are using them, we first soak them to get out all the nutrients. They are rich in fiber, and with fiber, if one digests or takes fiber, anything that has fiber in it, it will help you to stay longer and you will not be craving for what to eat every now and then, thus aiding you in weight loss. So if you are someone who would love to lose weight, then make sure that you use chia seeds in your breakfast, in your smoothies, and they also help in reducing the cholesterol levels and also promote intestinal health. So make sure that you use chia seeds in your drinks, in your smoothies, in your eats to get out all those benefit. They are super healthy for the heart as well. So here we move on to mung beans. These are also known as choroko, or they are known as green grams, or in Swahili they are called ndengu. So yeah, they can be added to sambusas. They can be, you can make stew out of them, you can make sauce out of them. You can as well prepare them with the rest of the you can add them to potatoes, you can make katogo out of them. So yeah, these I made a video, that is a video that I made out of these green beans, so you can go check it out and see how best you can prepare them and enjoy them with your family. They are legumes just like chickpeas. So here we move on to hibiscus. Just like chia seeds, hibiscus is also rich in fiber, and with fiber it helps you to stay satisfied for long, thus not craving for what to eat every now and then, which aids in weight loss. So yes, hibiscus has fiber in it, and it also has calcium, iron, and with the combination of all that, it has lots of beauty and health benefits. So you can prepare them and have them as tea along with a little bit of ginger and other spices, or you can as well have it as juice. You can get them from the different marketplaces, Owino, Chibuye and other places. And so here we have oats, rolled oats. Oats, they also have fiber in them, and you know what fiber does. I have already talked about that. They are rich in minerals, vitamins, and it is also a grain that is gluten-free. You can have oats in your smoothies, in soups. You can have them in pancakes. You can just get creative with them. Also in muffins. Yes, you can as well make milk out of these oats. Yes, we have oats milk by soaking them and then blending them, and you sieve and get milk out of these oats. You can as well get oats flour out of these oats by grinding them in fine particles, and then you have for yourself oats flour that you can use in baking, that you can use in making pancakes, cupcakes. So they are rich in fiber, which makes them good, and they help in reducing cholesterol levels. You can add them to cookies like I did in that video. You can get them from supermarkets and different markets here in Kampala. Kindly help me grow by subscribing to my channel, that is Ugandan Kitchen. Once you get onto my channel, kindly help me subscribe. Once you are done subscribing, click on the bell again and turn on your notifications by clicking on all. That implies you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Please help me put a thumbs up whenever you watch a video. This helps me to grow. This helps my channel. It helps me with YouTube algorithm. Please help me, support me. If you want to see me on top, it is free of charge. You don't need to pay. So please subscribe, like, and share. Then we move on to black seeds. These are also known as black chumoni and also have other names, plenty of names. You can use these in your bakings. You can have black seed tea. You can use them also in your breakfast smoothies. You can use them in your vegetables, in salads. They are good for cholesterol levels, for reducing your cholesterol level. They aid in weight loss, and you can as well get oil out of them and then use it for your hair and for your skin. Then we move on to sea salt. That is how it looks like you can see, but you can just grind it and then have it in more fine particles that you can use in your baking. You can add it. It works just like salt, the way we use salt. You add it in your cookings, whichever recipe that recommends you to use salt, be it a smoothie, be it a salad. You can just add the sea salt and then you will have it. You can as well use it in chocolate chip cookies, and then you have for yourself a very healthier salt to use at home. It also has other health benefits, like it keeps you hydrated, great skin health, improves digestion, regulates blood pressure, and many more other health benefits. Then we move on to cloves. That is how cloves look like you can see. Cloves are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. We also use cloves when we are preparing biryani and pilau. It brings a very nice aroma. It also helps in reducing blood sugar, so you can have it in tea. It also helps in tooth decay, so you can chew some 2 to 3 cloves and then you will feel better. Then we can also use them in cookies like the ginger cookies. You add cloves in powder form. You can as well get cloves in oil and then you can use it for your hair, for treating your scalp, and then you can have for yourself very nice shining hair, and then it will also help you feel better. Then we have the black pepper, like you can see. Those are black peppercorns. We also have the white pepper. These it has that bitter taste that it adds to the food, so we normally use it in pilau. We normally use it when we are preparing the different stews and sauce, and then you can as well have it in different smoothies. Yes, you can as well have it in different smoothies like the peanut chocolate. You can add just a pinch of black pepper and then you will have it. We also use it in garnishing because of the very many health benefits it has, like aiding in weight loss, digestion, treating constipation. You can as well get them in different markets, Owino, Chibuye, starting from 1,000, and then you'll be having for yourself, especially this seed. Make sure that you have them in your stew, in your pilau, and you will have for yourself very nice and tasty delicious meals. Watch out for part 2. For now, like, share, and subscribe.